question. But in the entire 16 months, right? So that is the big change that you want to see in 16 months with respect to digitalization, right? And then our main, so of course everything starts here, as we have mentioned, and as Ijaman have pointed out, yeah? So without a clear impact objective, then we will not know where to go, actually, because that will also influence the kind of power map that you will have. You will be based on the impact objective, right? So, if this is your impact objective, okay, who presented a while ago?
Thailand.
Thailand. Is this Thailand?
Yes.
Okay. So if this was your if this is your impact objective, then everything will follow from your impact objective, right? So all your other tools. So your main research question will be based here. Your topic will be based here. Your power map will be based here. Your theory of change will be based here. And as I've mentioned, repeatedly mentioned, sisters, that your critical pathway puts together, integrates together all your tools, right? So you have your impact objective. Your first column is just organizing your theory of change chronologically, which comes first. So you do not do it like how you presented, that you put capacity building in your critical pathway. No. You look into your power map in your critical pathway, right? Wait, maybe I will just lay down all the tools. Wait. So, critical pathway, right? And then you have the milestones, activities, to do involve, and then resources. Timetable and then resources. Let me check. Okay, let us go back. How the tools are related, okay? So this is your impact objective. And now you go to your power map. So all the actors that you are identifying here should be related to your impact objective. Yeah? But earlier on, maybe here, related into your main research question. Yeah, because later on, you will do again a power map when you do your advocacy, right?
So power map comes to like when I'm starting my work with the code very beginning. Then it comes. Then again when we are moving with the process. Then at some point if we need the like media advocacy or any other advocacy, then again we need the power mapping remembrance because
yes. Okay, so here, referring to this, you will be making for the entire 16 months, for the entire 16 months, you will only have one impact objective, right? But then, you will have two different power maps, right? So you will have a power map when you will be in your process of producing your evidence. So that is from your data collection until you have come up with a story, with your report or with your story, right? And then when you will be using this one, you will be creating another power map, right? In the same manner, that in your theory of change, it will be you will be making that theory of change here, and then later on when you will be making your advocacy, you'll also be creating another theory of change, right? Because this is another stage, right? This is another stage. And the focus of your theory of change here will be on advocacy. Here, the focus of your theory of change will mostly be capacity building, production of knowledge, tools, and resources, and then maybe or the movement architecture. Yeah? Okay? So is that clear, sisters? Yeah? Is that clear?
About two, you mentioned about two power map.
Yeah. But don't think about the second map first. You think about your map here when you are actually doing your data collection until you have produced your evidence. Yeah? Don't think about the advocacy yet.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's another stage. Okay? Yeah.
I
And
would
then
suggest the process because Fernie already explained the, like all. So I want to suggest that we come back to your country group, and then discuss about the revise because it's already revised, and then come back to and then remind what Fernie already said. And the time is 10 until 15 minutes, and then after that we present after you revise. Yeah, because it's really good, it's really effective if you do it by your group, not in general. Yeah? Okay, come back and revise your impact objective strategy.
And then another suggestion. So this is without the benefit of discussion already, even with the team. But then we want to really see how you have made use of the tools, how you have applied. So that I suggest that the team will be divided, and then so that instead of Jamal and Andy, instead of like making their presentations, my suggestion is we will split ourselves into, like, for instance, Andy will be checking on the work of 2 groups maybe or 3 groups, and then Jamal 2 groups, and then me checking on the other groups. So that it will be very concrete suggestions. Instead of you presenting, it's difficult actually. You presenting, and then we make the the comments. So we will sit with you. So there's no more presentation, right? But then there's going to be members from the season, sitting with you. So it will be mentoring, coaching, something. How does it?
I think that's
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
That's better.
And then so that we'll split. For instance, Andy will take care of this this
So
group.
we can divide based on the country group, and then we have 15 minutes starting from now. Yeah. And then Jamal and I can go to the platform companies. Is it okay? Because that's my interest. Yeah.
And then
Okay.
about-
You can go to either automation. So
Let's discuss that.
Yeah, so let's split already.
yeah. Let's just
Mm-mm.
So let's
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and then I will take Philippines.
Don't know the milestones.
Yes,
yes. The theory.
Yeah. Okay. So Philippines, Cambodia, and then India.
Together?
Yeah. So we will work immediately on your. But can we have those so as a reference? Yeah. Okay. So did you get yours already? You have yours? Okay. Here. So
Thailand
yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I will
Ah, okay, you will go. We will just.
So maybe let us, yeah. So one by one, yeah. Presentation. And let me.
Yes. And we need to change it.
So where is yours? Can you get the
Yeah.
paper?